Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Galaxy Tab i8 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose Settings. In it, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now you have page 3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need to change it. Enter your connect pin to your parental control and tap on maybe allow all included underrated, confirm I got it, understood and save. You can also go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!